Hi guys, so welcome to day 5 of 21-day challenge, and in today's day we're going to cover the topic post and description. Well, like till now we have done a lot, like we understood the algorithm, how the algorithm works, we took the analysis of our profile, we optimized it, we just did the Q&A and we determined our goal, like why are we growing our Instagram account. So in this day today, the 5th day, we're going to understand why posts, how many posts and what kind of posts we need to do. Apart from that, we're going to do another thing which is called descriptions. Is description important? What kind of things we need to write in the description? And this thing, hot text. So it is a very important thing for the posting and all. It really helps a lot. So yeah, let's start. So firstly comes the post types. So what are the kinds of posts that we can do on Instagram? So apart from it's IGTV here. Okay, so if we can do single post, like most of us do, it's just one post. Then the carousels video, if it is 1 minute video, so it comes in the feed, and if it's longer than 1 minute, if it is longer than 1 minute, it becomes IGTV. So yeah, but what is the priority, right? What is the priority order of these kind of posts? So according to me, the videos and the IGTV videos is 1 unit, so this gets the number 1 rank. Carousels get number 2 rank, and single post will get 3 rank. So basically, carousels are getting more reach than single post. This is like you can see it on my profile that every single post which I make is having less count, less reach, less likes, less comments as compared to carousels, and video is having the maximum because the number of views are shown in that. So what is basically happening now? Why is carousels getting more and videos the maximum amount of reach, and why is it being liked by the Instagram? Okay, so consider this as an example. Like if you are a shopkeeper and you are being paid, like when a person comes to your shop and he is sitting, okay, so let's take an example of library. So if the library charges you for how many hours you are sitting in the library, right? So let's say if you go in a library and you come out in 1 hour, so you pay them $1 or $2. So at the same time, but if you are staying there for 7 to 8 hours, it is going to charge you more. So it is a very basic concept that Instagram wants that people should stay on your profile. Basically, you also want that. The people should stay on your post, on your profile for a longer period of time. So how is it that gonna happen? So if you have put a video, and if it is a good video, the person is going to see your entire video. So he stays for 1 or 1+ minute over there. It comes to the carousel, so he's going to stay for your, like if he sees all the 10 posts in the carousel, it can be from maximum 10 posts in a carousel. So if he sees all the 10 posts, so he's on your profile for 20 seconds approximately. And single post is just 1 to 2 seconds. So which is the one that has the most, then without less than that, and then the least. So this is the priority order for the post. Now comes I guess the post idea type is clear to you guys. Now come the post ideas. So you can post anything, you're an influencer, you can style a pose, like you can tell how the person should stand like this, like I've been friends telling me, okay, I'll go shoot, yeah, we're gonna do like this. So you can do like stuff like that. Okay, so one comes the poses and the other comes the memes and all, like videos, lifestyle. You can teach someone on your Instagram profile, you can showcase your potential, anything that you want, right? That comes under the ideas, like make different things as well. Like you're posing single post, you're making carousels, and carousels like you are wearing same clothes, right? So instead of making 5 single posts, make 1 carousel. That is going to help you more. Yes, the count of the post will decrease, but it's the same piece of clothes that you're wearing. There is no fun in putting more posts with the same clothes. Frequency, now comes the frequency, how many posts you need to do. 2 posts, if you want to increase it, you get more engagement, and it is going to help Instagram boost your profile. Okay, so I get a lot of question in this part, the third part, that if what happens if we post 3 pics at the same time, right? So I basically don't prefer this thing. Let's say this is Instagram and you post it over here, let's say at 9 a.m. What happens is, this is your post and it is going to go down because other posts are coming and it is going to go down, right? And it comes to the bottom level. So it doesn't matter if it's 1 post or 3 posts, they are eventually going to go down in the feed by, let's say, 10 a.m. in the morning only. But what if there is a way that you keep on posting more. So there's 3 posts, so if one you post at 9 a.m. and it goes down, then you post it at 2 p.m. and again it is going to be here. So this is the area where the users see your profile. They're continuously gonna see your profile after a few hours because you have posted another post, and it is going to help you get more profile visits, more engagement, more likes, more comments on your feed. So it is always better to post on different times, having a minimum gap of 3 to 4 hours. This gap is like not for everyone. If you are a memer or you have a meme page, you have a sarcasm page, you can post 12 posts a day if you can do. So do that. 12 posts a day is good. Like every 1 hour, after every 1 hour you post a post, right? So do that. It is good. But like keep minimum of 2 posts if you are trying to grow your account, and that is going to help you a lot. Now comes the thing which is called description. So I see a lot of accounts, and basically all you 21 people don't write good descriptions. Like I've seen the profiles of everyone. I saw 5 posts, your recent 5 posts of each and everyone, and I didn't see anyone writing good description, and some of them are just using 1 hashtag and some of them are doing nothing. So description is a very important part. Basically take it as a thing like Instagram will come to know about what the post is if you write the description. Like you put a post, how will Instagram understand and know that this post is regarding influencer marketing, this post is regarding social media marketing, Instagram marketing? How is Instagram going to understand this? This thing comes from the description part. So in description part, I have segregated this description part into 4 parts. Firstly, it should be 50 to 300 words long. You can use a quote regarding fashion, you can use anything regarding memes, sarcasm, your product, your business. And in my case, so I use Instagram, more tips, I tell a story, or I ask people a question in this, right? So it should be 50 to 300 words, right? So this should be the range. Other thing comes keywords. So basically this is the thing I was talking about. The keywords is the thing that Instagram you help Instagram figure out that your post is about what thing. So if I'm using in description Instagram marketing. So when someone searches on his search bar that Instagram marketing, so Instagram is going to know that yes, this is the post that I need to show, right? Just take the description part as a landmark. So basically what happens when a postman is coming or to deliver something to your address, so how does he know? Because he searches for the landmark, you have put your address with the landmark. So this keyword part is kind of landmark for Instagram. Someone asks the query from Instagram and he knows, okay, yeah, so this is the thing, this is the exact same thing the person needs, so he's going to show your posts, right? Now comes the hashtag. Hashtag is again a complement to keywords which helps you to get discovered on the queries of the people, and it is like known, and a lot of you have even tested. Like I gave you the hashtags last day before yesterday, so most of them would be working for you by now. So hashtags, you put, it is also kind of complement to keywords, so you try these as well. So you can put maximum of 30 hashtags in your posts and 10 hashtags in your stories. So do it in both, right? Seriously, put 10 hashtags in the story and put 30 in this post description, okay? And after that, what happens is the last thing, the alt text. So where is this alt text? When you are posting something on Instagram, so below, share it to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, there is a thing called advanced setting. So you click on this advanced setting and you get this option called alt text. So you open that alt text. So basically alt text, like if you know something about search engine optimization, and we put alt text in the images and all, right? So basically it helps Instagram, Google to understand what the post is about. So you have to put 3 things in here, like you have to test what thing works for you. Either you can put the hashtags in the alt text, otherwise you can put again a different but a smaller version of description, right? So if you are written like 100 words over here, 30 to 40 words over here will suffice, right? And the third thing is keyword. So this is a trick that I sometimes use. I don't use it very much, but sometimes. So Instagram marketing was my keyword. So what I do is I write Instagram marketing, Instagram marketing, Instagram marketing 10 times over here. Just the same keyword, and I keep on repeating them. It's basically called keyword stuffing. So this is what I do. So you guys can do it as well. So this, like these are the small things, like 90% of you wouldn't be using this, wouldn't be using description. Rest everything is fine. You guys won't know about the priority of why carousels, why videos, right? So these are the small things that are important for you to know. These are the small things that are missing. See, when it comes to Instagram and when it comes to any social media platform, you already know the 80% of the stuff. But what extra? That is the 20% that you need to know. And these are the small things that contribute to these 20%. So you got that idea? So just giving an overview in the end. So like what happens is, just an overview, right? So, okay. So let's start with post and description. So post types, it's the priority is videos, IGTV, carousels, and single post. And then come to post ideas. It can be anything regarding your niche. You have to come up with different things. Frequency should be 2 per day. Description should be 50 to 300 words. And you should be using keyword, hashtags, and alt text. So alt text, basically what alt text is, in alt text, you gotta use hashtags, you gotta use description, a summarized version of this, and last thing is keyword. So you gotta do keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is basically like I have this Instagram marketing. So Instagram marketing is my keyword, and I just repeat this keyword: Instagram marketing, Instagram marketing, Instagram marketing, Instagram marketing 10 times. Right? So this is all about day 5, post and description. I would seriously recommend you to write descriptions, come up with the carousel images instead of these things, single post, and yeah, use this alt feature. So homework for today, okay, so what do I need to give you the homework? Okay, so like do this. There is no specific homework for this, but you should know about this. And for all the upcoming posts, so it is day 5, we are left with 16 days, 16 days into 3, 16 to 48 posts. I need all the good descriptions, keywords, alt text usage, hashtag usage. Okay, so you have the hashtags that I gave it to you, so we gotta do it. So guys, please, for next 48 posts, you have to be very consistent, use all these things, right? So I think so I have cleared everything about post and description. If you still have any issue, any query, any problem, do comment down, do ask me, DM me or anything, right? So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, let me know if you have any problem. Thank you.